my quick Cronometer tutorial. Cronometer is a nutrition tracking app. There are several of them out there, but I feel that this one is the best one for vegans because of its functionality, its ease of use, and it tracks essential amino acids. We will be talking about essential amino acids in the course, but for now, I would like you to sign up for an account on Cronometer. It is free, and the amount of information you will get using this app is amazing. And once you start tracking your food, you become familiar with it and it becomes very, very easy. Please sign up for your Cronometer account. Let me show you around. So here's what the dashboard is going to look like once you sign in. And you're going to spend most of your time here at the diary tab. And that's where you're going to add your food. You can even add your exercise, your weight, or any comments you have about the food. Before you get started though, you're going to want to go to settings. And settings is where you put in your height, your weight, and it will also provide you other options. You can go to play with the targets. Maybe you like to have a certain amount of protein in your diet. So it has a lot of functionality. I would just leave it at the basic settings. If you have a device, sync up to Cronometer, and it's a great way to get all your information in one place. Then you go back to your diary and you start adding food. So I'm going to do a demonstration of adding a banana. You just click here. Make sure that down here there's several categories. You want to go to all and type in your food. And as you will see, underneath that will populate all kinds of options for bananas. You can have a raw banana, a fried banana, banana chips, etc. Select the one that you have eaten and then go to the bottom. Under serving, type in the serving size, and then in the next box, the drop down will give you many options for the size of the banana, or if you're weighing your food, you can do it in ounces or in grams. You can even do it teaspoon, tablespoon. This is such a great app. So I had a medium banana. I'm going to add it, and it pops down here at the bottom line. You will do that with all the foods you eat. Let's go back here just for a minute. So you know, if you really want to add a food that you eat every day, let's say you have a salad and it's the same salad, I would create a custom food. So play with this and get comfortable with it. It'll take you a little bit of time, but not much. It's worth the investment, and the more accurate you are with tracking your food, the more accurate your nutrition information is going to be. Speaking of nutrition information, you can go to the Trends tab and it will give you these tabs underneath it. So you can get charts, a nutrition report, you can print the report. I go Trends Nutrition Report. That will give you a 1-week summary. This chart gives you energy, protein, carbs, fat. Protein, carbs, fat are what people call macros, and that's just an overarching categories for nutrition. Notice that there's a box up here that says include supplements. Leave that unchecked, because here you will be able to go and see for the week without supplements, I did not get a couple of my vitamins, vitamin D or vitamin E, from the foods that I ate. So that tells me I have a gap there and that I need to find foods that are higher in vitamin E or vitamin D. Of course, we know maybe I need to get outside in the sun for vitamin D. As long as you're at 80%, I wouldn't worry about it. Oftentimes, you will be over 100%, and if it's able to, your body will hold on to the extra and be able to fill in the gaps for weeks where you're a little bit low. If you are lower than 80%, that indicates that you probably need to improve your diet or take a supplement. Over here, under lipids are fats. I do want to point out that your omega-3 fats and your omega-6 fats are very important. And it will tell you what the function is and where you can find sources of it. So this tool is phenomenal. I love it. I highly recommend you use it. finally, under protein, under this section in the lower left, you will see protein, and it's got several amino acids listed. Most of these are essential amino acids, and you can look at this and make sure that you're getting all the amino acids you need from your food. This is something we're going to talk about. It's very important for vegan nutrition, and I wanted to point all that out for you. One final thing for any individual vitamin. Let's look at vitamin B2. If I hover over the green bar, I will get a pop-up box that shows me what percentage of that vitamin is in the foods that I eat. So again, terrific tool. Then click supplements. You will go down and see that, oh, my supplements are giving me an adequate amount of nutrition. And you see in potassium I have 84%. Well, that's above 80. I'm happy with that. So there you have it. This is Cronometer, and I strongly encourage you to use this tool. It will be a great help for you to identify gaps in your diet, identify foods for you that are rich in certain nutrients, and it will help you identify essential amino acids and omega-3s. There you have it. Good luck with it. Set it up, start tracking, and remember, if you're going to be brutally honest with the information you put in, you're going to get the best information out. Good luck, and until I see you, be kind to yourself.